Mm-hmm.
Have you ever heard of the banana trick technique at Walmart?
No.
You never pulled off the banana trick? You never stole a car?
What? This escalated.
Yeah, it did. Because once you're stealing cars, you're also doing banana tricks.
Okay.
No, this is about self-checkout systems, not exclusively at Walmart, but just in general. You may wonder, how are people not running scams on the self-checkout systems? And you're damn right they are. And this one is pretty much what it sounds like, where what you would do is you would take the sticker off of something that's cheap and then put it on something that's expensive. And they try to do it in such a way where maybe the weight of it, like put it in the bagging area. You've seen all these different things transpire, may or may not be monitored. And companies have attempted to come up with systems in order to stop this from happening. So when you think of a banana trick, you could take the sticker off of a banana and put it on a laptop. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And all of a sudden you put it on the thing, it comes up on the machine as a 57 cents. And
You
then
have to weigh it. No? I guess not. Not bananas, because they come in a bunch. You just buy the whole thing.
it's a bunch of bananas. But you could do this.
I think it's weighted.
But you could do this with anything. You could get something that's heavy.
Sure,
you could do this with anything. I don't know if it needs to be exact.
I mean, you weight the laptop, and then it should be fine.
No, the laptop.
$5.
I was exaggerating with the laptop because the laptop you would have to go
do
to
that
the
on like a
electronics department. I don't think there's a self-checkout for a laptop, but there are more expensive items that you could then bring to self-checkout and change the label on and scan. So anyway, I was taking it a step further. But in many cases, what they're doing is they do it for cash. They then try to return the thing for like store credit without the receipt. And like I bought this. I don't have the receipt anymore.
Gotcha.
Whatever it might happen to be. They're just wreaking havoc on the inventory systems and payment systems in these self-checkouts. But now they're getting into the AI game of having the cameras visually figure out what is the item sitting there. So when it comes up in the system as a banana, the AI system say, that ain't a banana.
Yeah, that's a 50-inch TV.
You did not just scan a banana, and you're not going to pull your banana trick on me.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Walmart is now avoiding payment cheats known as the banana trick, and they're preventing robbery and theft. Another weird thing, too, this becomes fraud, actually, as opposed to theft, if you are shoplifting in this fashion. So it's a different
Because you are
charge.
buying something.
It's weird.
Right?
It's fraud in the sense that you're misrepresenting what's transpiring, what's taking place. Here you go. This is a good example. You could have an expensive tool or a ratchet set, or you could get a drill or something.
Gotcha.
And say it's a banana. I just like that it's called the banana trick as well, because bananas are extremely cheap. Like, how much is a banana worth, Will?
I think it's like 50 cents per bundle.
That's insane.
Organic is like $1 or something.
So one banana
Canadian.
is worth what? 10 cents?
Sure. Yeah.
That's crazy. Like, these guys get carried away. Like, forget about the banana. They got to do something closer than that to try to pull this gig off.
Yeah.
50 cents. You're going to raise some eyebrows, man. There's a lot of missing inventory over here. So the new AI, the so-called company-focused retail-based AI technology called Sea Change Technologies, AI-powered self-checkout solutions with fresh produce recognition. The company announced in the press release, fresh produce recognition. That's a banana.
Banana scanned.
Yeah. You can't pass steaks for potatoes. You remember when people were stealing steaks? I wonder if that's probably still going on. Yeah. Man.